Welcome to our first vlog. Can you see me?
Mm-mm. You be like Dora the Explorer,
Today
Kai.
we are going to make a video about Eid el
Eid the future.
Fitr. Forget them. Welcome to Stop.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've already done an unboxing video, but I got hair from Hair by Dima. I just want to put it on to show you guys. This is me buying wigs so that you don't have to buy it. Like, you don't have to waste your money and buy a bowl. I already gave a rating when I wore it the first time, but let me just show you guys. So this is how the hair came, and this is it straight out of the box. I will insert a video of how it looks like, but basically this is the hair. It's actually full when you brush it. So when I brought it out from the bag, it's actually full. I think I've combed it out a little, but this is how the lace looks like inside. I haven't done anything special. This is it. So I'm just going to put my foundation powder, a color close to my tone, and just wear it because
Hello guys. Stella, don't post
the
it.
internet never forgets, by the way. But I'm gonna post this one because you brought your face here. Anyways, this is me just trying to put
Don't try it.
a little powder just to wear it and just see how it looks like. I don't really want to put foundation on this thing, but at this point I'm thinking I might. Okay, so we already have this tinted as best as I could. Now I'm just going to use the scissors to cut it and just wear it without putting any water or ever. So let's cut the lace. Ooh, wish me luck, guys. Not really a huge fan of cutting wigs. I'm just gonna cut it however I feel like, because life didn't end. Because I don't know how to cut lace. Lacy. Bagam. It's a lot. Anyways, we have this right now. I think I want to trim here a little. Just have this. My God, here we go. So here is the moment of truth, or the truth of the moment. So this is what the wig looks like once we've put it on. You can see how full it is. This is pretty. Like, I actually like the closure. Right in my eyes. Like how the closure feels. I'm not going to style this yet, but this is the test I wanted to do because I don't have my hot comb here with me. But here is a look. This is how it looks like when it's wet. So spray water generously, my guy, generously, and then take this comb from the roots. Comb it like your life depends on it. I need to add more water because I need to drench it. Drench it, eh? Then, when it's drenched, do you see what we're doing? Comb it like. Do you see the difference between here and here? It takes water, guys. Comb it like your life actually depends on it. You have. Just look at it. Look at it, guys. Oh, it's sweet. Anyways, I give this hair like for the price, guys, I'll give it a 9/10 because it is crazy. I don't know how long it will last, but wait, for the price, a 9/10. So let me wet the whole hair and then come back and show you guys what this beautiful girl looks like. So we are back and this is what the hair looks like. Do we like it actually wet, or we like it blown out? So like I said, I'll give this hair a 10, and it looks glueless. Like, guys, it looks glueless. Like, can you see it? Anyways, I think I like it dry and combed out, but this is cute. So what do you guys think about this hair? What would you rate it? This is actually the price, and this was what she actually I'm going to put a video here of what she actually said the hair will look like, and like I said, in 9 is good. So this is it. I don't think it's as full as what she sold, but it's still giving volume. So I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys want more wig review, affordable wig reviews, let me know. See you guys in my next one. Bye.